Hello everyone, my name is Peter. I'm from thesupportzone.com and the purpose of thesupportzone.com is to offer bookkeeping services to small business owners. So with the help of today's video, we are going to see how we can add web links to Quicken invoices. Web links are something we can say that kind of links that allow us to your business information with your clients directly. Let's say you can share your website, you can share your email, you can share your business location, as well as with the help of can get paid by your client directly to your PayPal. If you have a PayPal account and you accept payments using PayPal, so you can connect your PayPal account with Quicken as a merchant provider, and then you can start accepting payments with that. Okay, and I'll show you how you can set up your web links into Quicken in a quick second. So let's quickly go ahead and open Quicken here. All right. So, and also in the last video, we saw how we can set up, or you can say how we can send an invoice directly from Quicken and to your clients. So the video link is also mentioned in the description below. If you want, you can have a look at that video where I mentioned how you can create and send an invoice to your customer. So here Quicken is open. Once Quicken is open, click on business tab, and once you click on business tab, click on create invoice, and once you create an invoice, type your customer's name. Like in the last video, we add as Richard, and then it will pull up the information which belongs to Richard, like his address, email, and all that thing. And then afterwards, you need to mention your item. What kind of services did you provide it? So last time, or in the last video, I add Quicken cleanup services, QuickBooks cleanup, QuickBooks setup services, or something like that. Okay. And there is one more jeans that was something for different company file. Okay. But for this purpose, let's say I helped him with the QuickBooks or Quicken cleanup services. Okay. And I will mention it as I do charge. Let's suppose I charged him $100. Okay. And along with that, I helped him set up QuickBooks. Okay. And I do charge him $150 for it. Okay. And now let's say you would like to accept payments directly into your PayPal account. So what you need to do, once your invoice will be ready, just go ahead and do one thing here. Click on web links at the very bottom right side. Here it is. Click on web links, and then here it says PayPal payment. So you just need to click on setup, and it says Quicken allows you to receive payments of your invoice via PayPal. Then you need to set up your PayPal link. All right. So it is just doing some security check. Perfect. And then enter your registered PayPal email address, like your registered business email address, which is registered with your business PayPal account. Okay. All right. Here we go. It pulled up the information. Let me quickly go ahead and enter the information in. All right. Perfect. Agree and connect. Okay. So the information is now you have an account. You have successfully integrated PayPal with Quicken. Okay. Now go back to Quicken, and you can see it here. Your PayPal payment link has been set up, and I'll show you how it will going to look alike. Okay. When you will gonna send it to your customer, how it will gonna look alike on the customer's end. Okay. So we added this, and then let's say we would like to add a Yelp listing as well. Okay. Let's say your business is also listed on Yelp. Okay. And you would like to show this thing to your client as well. Okay. So my business is also listed on Yelp. Let me quickly go ahead and I pulled up the link before recording this video. So let me check it here, and you can change the text to display as well. I will say review us on Yelp. Okay. Perfect. And I would also add my website, our business website here. Also my contact email address here. Okay. And if you have some other map listing as well, like Google Map or something like that, you can also add that. Okay. So I just want these options to be available in the invoice. So I will simply go ahead and click on include, and here we go. And then we just simply say email here. Okay. And here we go. All right. So if you would like to change your email and all that things, you can do it. And otherwise your invoice will be ready to send. Okay. It is completely ready. You can see it is something like kind of a preview here. You can also see, and I will show you how it will going to look customer's email. Okay, I will going to go ahead and click on here, send email. All right, you can see it says email sent successfully. So let me go ahead and open my email, and here we go. An email is open. If you can see the invoices attached, and let me maximize this. If you see here at the very bottom, it mentioned all the information: our review, Yelp page, our website, our email address, as well as the PayPal link is here where it says with PayPal. Let me show you how it will going to look when we will gonna click on pay with PayPal. Okay, so let's click on this one, and here you can see they're giving us two options. If your client has a PayPal account, they can simply log in to that PayPal account. Otherwise, they will also going to have an option here, pay with debit or the credit card, and they can simply enter their email as guest and then continue to payment. That's what they can do in order to process. Let me show you as well this thing, how it will going to look alike. Okay, let's suppose your client entered the information, like enter the email as a guest and continue to payment. And here you can see they can easily process the payment by entering their billing information, and then you will be get paid directly to your PayPal account. Okay, so that's how you can set up web links into your Quicken. Okay, and then you can click on save and done. Let's suppose your payment is been made by a client. You can click on save and done, and you will be able to see your invoices information over here. Okay, if you would like to see here, this is the invoice that we just created a couple of seconds ago. All right, and if you want to track this invoice, or if you want to track your unpaid invoices, you can go back to business tab at the top, go to business tools, and click on unpaid invoices list. From there you can see the list of invoices that are unpaid, so you can see at the same time. And let's assume one of your client, like you offered the services and one of your client did not like your services and he do not wants to pay the invoice or something like that. You can void this invoice as well. Okay, let me show you. Right now we can see this unpaid invoices list here. Okay, and let me show you how we can void it. Okay, so we need to go back to invoices account, like here it is. You can see this is an invoice we just created. Make a right click on it, like just choose void transaction and click on yes. Here we go. So now if you go back to unpaid invoices, you will be able to see there would be nothing over there. Okay, let me show you here. Let me see one thing. Yes, this is the invoice that we created, and let's say, okay, you need to save this transaction as well. Okay, once you save it, then things will going to be get updated, and then go back to business, and then go to business tools, and then unpaid invoices list. And now you can see there is no invoice into your unpaid invoices list. That's how you can void the invoice if there is a need for doing that. Okay, so in this video we learn how we can set up the web links using our invoice, and second thing, how we can void the transaction, or how we can void the invoice by voiding the information, by voiding the, you can say, invoices. You can simply by voiding the transaction, if I say, you can easily invite the invoice directly here. Okay, for this video that was it. And one more thing which I would like to mention, that in case you're looking for some kind of a bookkeeping help related to Quicken or QuickBooks, I also help clients with QuickBooks. So you can reach me on this contact information. This is my website. This is my contact number. You can dial me on this phone number, and this is my email address. In case I am not available on the phone call, you can drop me an email and I will respond to it as soon as I receive it. Okay, so I will see you in the next one with some other information about Quicken or QuickBooks, and then we will gonna move forward from there. Okay, so I will see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye bye.